Hi everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to create a camera icon using two colors and a line. Okay, let's start with the rectangle tool. Okay, let's use a 2-pixel stroke. Okay, let's make the angles equal. Let's make the top part. Then we duplicate it. Okay, then let's set up vertical mirroring. Then go to the Path tab and select Object to Path. Create a new node. Now, let's connect all the nodes. Let's make a camera section. Select the camera object, go to the Path tab, and choose Stroke to Path. And we delete the node inside. Then select the lens object, go to the Path tab, and choose Stroke to Path. Then select both objects, go to the Path tab, and choose Difference. And let's create a rectangle object. Then we duplicate the camera icon and move it down. Next, select both objects, go to the Path tab, and choose Difference. And we'll add color to the icon. Select the object and choose Group. Then we place it on top. Create a circular object. Now, let's duplicate the circular object. Then select both of these objects, go to the Path tab, and select Difference. Now do the same with this section. And here's the result. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Oh, by the way, you can download the icon guidelines in the description.